Hey, what is up? Thor the Engine here on YouTube again. I finally got a full-scale train horn, folks. Now, it cost me quite a bit of money to build this, but this is Vixen horns. This is their extra long horn, their short horn, and their extra short horn. Just in case you want to know what bell combination that I'm using here. So this is going to sound exactly like a Nathan K3L almost. And we got 100 psi, and we're gonna hook it up and we're gonna listen to it. All right, here we go. Three, two, one. God damn, that's loud. Shook my chest through the earphones, brother.